You know what really sucks? When you struggle to crush ice when you just want a little smoothie. A good blender solves all these silly issues and then some. The top options, they have the power, they have the accuracy, all the speed settings you want. We have the top options ready. Just make sure to use our links because they'll take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's go now! Number 5. Ninja BN751. Amazing value. Power and versatility are at the heart of what customers deserve in a good blender, and this model ticks both boxes without draining your wallet. With a 1400 peak watt motor, it rivals some professional-grade options often priced much higher. That kind of power makes it feel ready for anything, from crushing ice to breaking down tough veggies. The total crushing blades set this blender apart because they handle frozen fruits and ice with ease. Imagine making a smooth, lump-free drink on a busy morning. It's quick, reliable, and works for the busiest kitchens. Many blenders struggle with consistency, but this one keeps drinks silky without you having to stir midway. What makes it particularly user-friendly are the Auto IQ programs. These settings automate the hard part by blending in timed sequences, meaning the blender knows when to pulse or pause, so you don't have to. Perfect for someone who experiments with smoothies but doesn't want to play the guessing game for timing. Compared to blenders that depend fully on manual control, this feature really simplifies the process. The large 72-ounce pitcher lets you whip up enough for the whole family in one go, saving time for larger households. For smaller servings, the 2 single-serve cups included in the box add convenience. Whether you're taking a smoothie with you or prepping something solo, this variety makes it adaptable. Cleaning isn't a chore either. Its BPA-free parts, including the pitcher and to-go cups, go straight into the dishwasher. This reduces cleanup effort, a flaw in many competing models that have to be hand-washed. Even with its powerful motor, thoughtful design keeps this blender easy to handle. Beginners stepping into healthier meal prep or smoothie enthusiasts looking to upgrade will find solid value here. Comparable blenders, often priced higher, don't necessarily offer such thoughtful extras like preset modes. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Number 4. Brail Super Q. Exceptional durability. If you want a blender that's built to last, we can say that the Brail Super Q stands out in this category, designed with durability in mind at every level. Its 1800-watt motor is among the strongest available, capable of handling hard nuts, fibrous greens, and tough vegetables without strain. Unlike some of the weaker alternatives on the market right now, this motor doesn't falter under heavy workloads, which makes it a dependable option for busy kitchens. High-speed blades push performance further. Spinning at a remarkable 186 miles per hour under load, they break down even dense or frozen ingredients with ease. A blend of frozen fruits or a batch of nut butter comes out consistently smooth, far surpassing the uneven textures produced by standard models. Regular use doesn't compromise its efficiency, proving this machine's resilience over time. Many heavy-duty blenders are notoriously loud, yet the noise suppression system in the Super Q cuts through that stereotype. It incorporates mechanisms for cooling that keep noise low. That makes this suitable for early mornings, late-night prep sessions too. For a blender with this much power, the reduced noise level feels like a thoughtful enhancement many competitors don't offer. Versatility also plays a role in its long-term value. The intelligent base recognizes the container in use. That can be the large 68-ounce jug for family-sized servings. You can also make the personal cup for single drinks. It's all good. This feature prevents overworking the motor by tailoring output to match the container, extending the blender's lifespan and adding convenience for the user. Sturdiness isn't only in its motor and blades. The components themselves are built for tough environments. From the robust jug to the finely engineered lid, the build quality outweighs what you'd expect from average options in this price range. Cleaning doesn't destroy the experience either. With a one-touch auto-clean function, maintenance feels quick and painless, saving time. We like it! Number 3. Vitamix Ascent X5. Best for protein shakes. A top-tier blender can transform your kitchen, making recipes quicker and easier. The Vitamix Ascent X5 earns its place as an all-around champion. It's designed for anyone needing a reliable and versatile tool, whether for quick snacks or more complex cooking. Everyday users will find the 48-ounce container perfectly balanced for small portions, medium ones too. Unlike some of the larger pitchers that feel excessive, the X5 offers flexibility. It performs flawlessly. You can blend smoothies for two, you can prep a soup for a family. All good here. Many blenders out there right now can leave smaller portions uneven, but the X5's engineering handles them effortlessly. A sign of a true champ. Its manual speed control stands out as a game changer. With 10 adjustable speeds, users have full control to get the thickest dips, smoothest sauces, or fluffiest soups. Cheaper models often stick to just low and high settings, making precision harder to achieve. The X5's pulse button adds even more versatility, perfect for recipes needing quick bursts of power. Every component of this machine reflects durability all the way. The powerful motor processes dense foods like frozen fruits without slippage. Vitamix backs this confidence with a 10-year warranty, far beyond some of the competitors where warranties typically end after 1 to 3 years. For families or frequent users, this longevity offers that peace of mind you've been after. Convenience also plays a significant role in the appeal of this model. The digital timer tracks the length of each blend, which takes out the guesswork. Preset programs further simplify the process to offer modes optimized for smoothies, desserts, soups, the whole show. These easy-to-use features leave little room for error, especially compared to simpler blenders with fewer program options. Cleaning is effortless with its self-clean button. Add warm water, add detergent, the blender handles the rest. Self-detect containers bring even more variety to the table because they let you customize the blender for your exact needs. This is a great product. Number 2. Ninja BR601 AMZ. Best for smoothies. Nothing beats a blender that handles frozen fruits, leafy greens, and seeds without any hassle. Smoothies turn out creamy and lump-free when the right tools are in your kitchen. That's why the Ninja BR601 AMZ stands out as the top option for anyone serious about smoothie making. With a strong 1200-watt motor, it powers through tough ingredients effortlessly, delivering consistency that rivals much pricier options. The stacked blade assembly, nicknamed Total Crushing, tackles ice with ease. Many blenders leave awkward chunks behind, but not this one. Whether it's a tropical fruit blend or a rich chocolate shake, the texture remains smooth every time. The 72-ounce pitcher makes this an even stronger pick for families or people hosting guests. Instead of working in small batches, you can prepare everything at once, cutting down prep time. This model also comes with 5 smart programs. For smoothies, just select the preset for automatic speed. This eliminates all guesswork. These programs remove the need to babysit your blender. Manual speed options are also available. Low, high, pulse modes for textures and adjustments as needed. Few blenders at this price range provide such simple, flexible controls. If you live on tight schedules, the single-serve cup with a spout lid feels like a lifesaver. Quick shakes become portable in seconds, which makes this model ideal for gym-goers, busy parents too. No need to dirty the pitcher if a solo drink is all you need. Easy cleanup makes the Ninja BR601 AMZ even better. The jar, lids, and blades are dishwasher safe, sparing users from tedious scrubbing. Bonus points for the BPA-free design, which pairs safety with convenience. Compared to others in its class, this blender combines power and practicality in a standout way. While some competitors fall short on handling ice or offering precise texture control, the Ninja BR601 AMZ nails those details. Nice one. A thumbs up from here. Number 1. Vitamix 5200. Best overall. And now, a blender that transforms how you approach your kitchen tasks. The Vitamix 5200, the clear winner for today. Power defines the experience here. It's not about flashy horsepower numbers, it's about results. This machine pulverizes all ingredients into silky mixtures without any chunks left behind. What stands out is the control you get during use. The variable speed dial lets you move from a light mix to a powerful puree at any point, giving real flexibility to your recipes. Picture prepping a hearty salsa with the right texture one moment and whipping up a creamy smoothie the next. Competing products often limit this kind of mid-blend adjustment. The 64-ounce container raises the bar for batch blending. For households or meal preppers, it's a time saver. Some smaller blenders require multiple rounds to get through large recipes, while this handles it all in one session. Meal prepping, smoothies for the family, or large portions of soup no longer feel like chores. Durability is another area where this product outperforms. The stainless steel blades stay sharp even after breaking down tough ingredients like nuts or seeds. Many cheaper blenders wear down too quickly under similar demands, while this one feels like it's built to last. Cleaning often feels like the least exciting part of owning a blender, but here it's simple. Add soap and water, turn it on, everything inside is clean in under a minute. One feature worth a mention is the ability to heat soups in the same container. High-speed blades generate enough friction to bring cold ingredients to hot. Skip the stove and finish everything in the blender, making dinner preparation more efficient and less complicated. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.